Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll tell you how to fix iPhone is too close on iOS 17. As we all know, using electronics for a long time, especially when your eyes are too close to the screen, can strain your eyes. The recently released of iOS 17 brings a lot of new features, one of the which is screen distance feature that prevents your eyes from being too close to the screen. Screen distance reminds teenagers to adopt healthy viewing habits to reduce the risks of myopia and gives adult users the opportunity to relieve visual fatigue caused by digital products. However, some people may find it annoying if the alerts keeps popping up. If you are wondering how to turn off iPhone is too close, then you have come to the right place. In this video, I'll tell you how can you fix this problem. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is make your iPhone to a distance greater than 12 inches from your face. If your phone displays the iPhone too close alert, then the first thing you need to do is to keep your distance. Once a safe distance is maintained, the alert message will disappear. And the next step is increase display text size. If you have been getting iPhone is too close warnings, it could mean you are having a hard time reading. For these, open settings. Next, scroll down and select display and brightness. Here, tap on text size. To increase the text size, drag the slider to the right until you get perfect visibility from at least 12 inches away. When you increase the text size, the newly selected style will apply with most apps on iOS and iPhone, and you are done. And the next step is keep your TrueDepth camera clean. The screen distance feature uses the iPhone's TrueDepth camera. If your camera is dusty, it may have trouble detecting your face. This is what results in the iPhone is too close prompt. Therefore, it is recommended to clean the lens properly with the microfiber cloth and make sure to remove all the residue and dirt. And the next step is reboot your iPhone. You just need to press and quickly release the volume up button, and same with the down button, and press the power button and then slide to power off, and after some time press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen, and you are done. And the next step is update your iPhone to the latest version. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then tap on update now, and you are done. And the next step is how to turn off iPhone is too close. If you have followed all of these methods and still getting the iPhone is too close warning on your screen, then you can turn off the screen distance feature. By turning off the screen distance feature, you will not receive the iPhone is too close alert. Tap on screen time. Now scroll down to the bottom and then turn off app and website activity. Tap on it again to confirm. Next, tap on screen distance. Tap on its toggle button to turn it off. After turning off the screen distance, even if you hold your device close to your face for a long time, you won't see the iPhone is too close warning on the screen, and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of iPhone is too close to iOS 17, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.